Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the following libraries using pip. So let's go. I'll open command prompt first. I'm going to start. So cmd is the command prompt. Okay, so first of all we have to install the KOTAK Neo API client. So to do that we can just copy paste this, copy, paste, then if we hit enter it will start installing all the libraries. So as you can see, it is installing. It's currently cloning the repository. Okay, so it's installing now. So yeah, as you can see that it shows requirement already satisfied because I've already installed these libraries. So yeah, that's it, and let's move on to the next step, which is to install Excel Wings. So let's copy this and paste here. Okay, so it shows could not install package due to an OS error, permission denied. So to avoid that, you can add -- user in the end. Okay, now pip install PyOTP. So paste here and then hit enter. Okay, so it has installed successfully. Now the next thing is pandas. So copy and paste, simple. I've also already installed pandas, so it's showing requirement already satisfied. Pip install request now. So copy and paste pip install requests. Okay, then pip install TA requests has been installed, and now we are going for TA. Pip install TA. Okay, so installed, and then pandas TA. Okay, okay, so this has also been installed now. So yeah, that's it. That's how we install all these libraries. Thank you.